Thank you for watching Syrian Eats. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Turn your notifications on so you can get the latest recipes. Our recipe today is the ultimate comfort food recipe. It's a one-pot pot roast. This recipe is so simple to put together, and then the oven does the rest of the cooking for you. Let's get started. I'm starting out with a 4-pound piece of chuck roast. You can use a brisket, a rump roast, or a chuck roast, whatever you can find. And then we're going to make a rub. I have half a tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. Give those a good mix and sprinkle it on top of your meat to season both sides very generously. Over medium-high heat in my Dutch oven pan, or whatever oven-safe pan you have, add 2 tablespoons of butter and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Then add 2 medium-sized onions roughly chopped. I'm going to saute my onions until they brown up nicely. Whenever your onions have browned up like this, safely remove them from your pan, and then we're going to braise our meat. In the same pan, over medium-high heat, add 2 tablespoons of butter, and we're going to braise the meat on all the sides. When that butter melts, go ahead and add your meat. So I waited a couple minutes on it, about 3 to 5 minutes, and I checked on it, and it looks like it has crisped up beautifully. So I'm going to flip it to the other side and do the same thing. While braising it, in between, add a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic, or about 4 or 5 fresh cloves of garlic. Make sure you get all the sides of your meat to crisp up. So right now, go ahead and preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and then add your onions on top of your roast, and then I'm adding about 5 peeled carrots, 3 potatoes, and 3 sweet potatoes. Then add 1 32-ounce container of beef or chicken broth. I had chicken broth on hand, so that's what I'm using. Now let's season our veggies. I added 1 teaspoon of salt and just a sprinkle of paprika. Close your lid and it's ready for the oven. Cook in the oven at 375 degrees for the first 30 minutes, and then lower your heat to 300 degrees and let it cook for another 2.5 hours. So it will be a total of 3 hours in the oven. The house smells amazing. Look how fork tender this roast is. Thanks for watching this simple and easy recipe. I hope you enjoy making it at home. Serve with a side of vermicelli rice, and I'll put that link in the description box below.